What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I just arrived to my little cottage here. You can check it out on Instagram. I did a full tour on Instagram, but I'll try to show you guys. It's cute, very aesthetic. Maybe I can turn a little kitchen action. So I'll be here, I'm in Johannesburg, South Africa. So I'll be here for a month. Actually, let me lift these blinds because maybe that's a bit distracting. Oh, where's the little pulley? Can I pull it here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Is it gonna stay? Did that fix the problem? On the wrong side. All right, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope that you have someone in your life that really cares about you and loves you. And if you're gonna stay? Yeah. And if you don't, then you should definitely, start searching. You can even use Bumble or Hinge. Those dating apps, they work too, especially when you're traveling. All right, guys, is this any better or is this worse? Oh my God, I think this is worse. Oh, the sun's coming in at a weird angle. Oh, bother. Maybe I can close this a little bit, but that might make it too dark. Oh, maybe it's coming in from this side over here. Okay, oh. I think I almost figured it out. Oh, come on, baby. Now it's getting a bit dark in here. All right, let's just hop into it, guys. Okay. Welcome back. All right, guys. Oh, man, the sun's right in my face. Oh, Lordy, Lord. Lord have mercy. How's that? Okay. All right, guys, so currently we're sitting at $1.41. We're seeing a little bit of recovery here. We're sitting at about 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.14 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.96 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the hourly time frame. So we have a bit of a reversal pattern, and it's an inverse head and shoulders. You can see here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're just starting to break the neckline, but it would be key for us to hold that as support, or we'll see that continuation if we just get rejected here by the EMAs. But your breakout target here would bring you back up to the golden ratio at $1.46. Now we are having our bullish divergence. If you ignore the wick of our very fast crash here, you can see here we created a lower low, higher low on the RSI. You can see we've had a bit of a bounce. So we need to get back above the EMAs and back test this as support to confirm that we're going to head up to $1.56. Or what can happen is we get rejected and we continue to see that rollover back down to these levels of support. As you can see, we came right down to that $1.20 major level we've been covering on the channel, and we found a strong level of support. So let's jump over into the 4-hour time frame. Hold on, guys, we're just here on the daily. All right, so here we are on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see we're underneath the EMAs and we're currently hitting them as resistance. And the more we do that, the higher likelihood that we'll roll over and come back down to that strong level of support down at about $1.22, $1.20 here. Let's just drop it in for you guys. For the bulls to step back in control here, it's crucial we get back above the EMAs on the 4-hour, right, guys? If we look at the daily, we're looking healthy, guys. We are still looking for continuation, in my opinion. We're holding the 55 EMA and we're consolidating. When you're in between the EMAs, you're going to consolidate until we break the 20 EMA. Then you can head up back to the golden ratio up at $1.55, $1.56, and then you have the 0.786 at $1.97. However, guys, if we just get rejected by the EMAs, that's when you can see that continuation. So if we look at Ethereum here on the daily, you can see that Ethereum wicked right down to the 55, also the golden ratio here, and we bounced right back up. And currently we're trying to get back above the 20 EMA. Our candle is currently above the 20 EMA. So if we can hold the 20 EMA as support here and we don't break it once again, then we're looking healthy for continuation. And we just saw a quick crash, and then we're going to see that continuation back to the upside. You can see here with Ethereum on the hourly as well, we had our bullish divergence. I'm just going to quickly take this squiggly out of here. All right, guys, so we created a lower low. We created a higher low on the RSI, signifying that the bears are losing strength. And we're seeing that bounce back to the upside. So we need to get back above 3575, major level of resistance here. Let's look at it on the 4-hour time frame. You can see here 3575. If we scroll back here, Whoa. It was a major level of support right in this area, and that's what we're currently hitting as resistance. So it would be crucial if we're going to see continuation here to break through 3575, back test it as support, get back above the EMAs and come up and break this high. But if we fail to do that, we get rejected, then your levels of support 3477, 3356. Let me open it up so you can see the live price here. 3356 and that major level of support at 3000. I do not want to see that level of support broken. That would be very bearish in my opinion if we come down and we break 3000. But in my opinion, we're still looking healthy for continuation, especially with Matic holding the EMAs here. So if we were to see some bullish volume step up and we broke through $1.55, I think that would be a beautiful signal of continuation. But of course, we have to keep an eye on the EMAs on the 4 hour. If we just get rejected, then it's a bit of a fake out and we see that continuation. But we are having that bullish divergence, guys, which is a good signal that the bears are losing strength here and the bulls are stepping in. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can see here with Bitcoin, bullish divergence as well. And we've actually gotten back above 46.7K, which was a crucial level of support. You can see here support in this area. And you can see back here on the 4 hour time frame, previous level of support where these wicks came down to, support in this area, support right here as well. So the fact that we've broken through 46.7 is bullish in my opinion, but we need to back test as support, get back above the EMAs and see that reversal back to the upside. And then it was just a quick flash crash and the bulls are strong enough to push us back up and see that continuation on this bull run. But if we get rejected, we roll over, then 44K is a major level of support as well as 42K for Bitcoin. And of course, the market moves with Bitcoin. So keep an eye on our neckline here. If we stay above it, your target is $1.56. Could be a nice little long trade if you see some volume here of about 14%. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. Check out my full link tutorial if you're new to Bybit and sign up, my favorite platform for leverage trading, for up to $600 in bonuses. No KYC required, so it takes literally 1 minute to sign up. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just keep an eye on this reversal pattern as well as the EMAs, the 20 and the 55 on the 4 hour. Crucial to get back above them for the bulls to show us strength. And if we just get rejected, then the bears are still in control. We head down to these levels of support, $1.30 and then $1.20, that major level. All right, guys, smash that like button. Hope you guys are well. Follow me on Instagram to keep up with my travels and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much again. Because of you and crypto, I'm able to travel, which is absolutely incredible. All right, guys, peace. See you in the next one. Take care.